if you're an introvert, you actually have an advantage when it comes to making friends, okay? Because extroverts have an easier time generally meeting a lot of people, being social, etc. But when you're an introvert, generally speaking, you're probably a good listener, okay? And that's something that extroverts might not be as good at. And it's very important to be a good listener. If you're an introvert, you're probably comfortable spending time by yourself as well, which is also important because like then you're also more selective and you're not going to socialize for the sake of socializing all the time. And because you'll be more selective, you'll be better at spotting the type of people that are good for you. That's another thing, you know, being selective. I think you go for quality instead of quantity. Now, in my videos and in my newsletter, I talk a lot about quantity actually, because I think when you're starting from zero, you have no friends or almost no friends, you should meet as many people as possible so that you can increase your chances of meeting people that are right for you, okay? Like to find a good fit, a good match. But you do want to be selective and not invest your time into people that are not good for you. And I think introverts are generally better at doing that. So, you know, you may be worried about being an introvert and be like, I don't know how to meet people, I'm not good at group settings and all that. First of all, you can find a way to be an introvert in group settings, and you don't need group settings. Like, you don't need parties or whatever, okay? Like, there's many ways to socialize as an introvert. So I just want you to remember, if you're an introvert, that it's not a disability. You know, it doesn't have to hold you back. There's advantages and disadvantages to being an introvert and to being an extrovert, and these are just labels at the end of the day, okay? But just remember remember the good things about being an introvert that can actually help you connect with people, because there's a lot, you know. There's amazing things about being an introvert in terms of connecting with people.